Good morning, guys. Today I want to show you how to use this device. Is a Modbus gateway TCP, very cheaper, which has Ethernet connection RJ45 for your LAN cable. Here you have the R plus R minus for RS485 Modbus RTU, RS422 and more, and here power supply. Practically I want to write a code and application, client application, connect to this Modbus TCP server, and then by using the ID unit, this gateway will send to all of the other devices in RTU. One of these, for example, I have connected this module. This module, I want to thank my friend Lee that helped me to get all of the information and will be very sincerely and nice with me. This is the protocol of the Modbus. You can see here, and then many of this information, the most important is the ID unit, practically the address of the Modbus RTU of this device. You can connect in RS485 by using the USB converter, or you can use directly, for example, Modbus pole. Here now I have trial version here, resistor. Put your address here and connect. But before, I want to show you that gateway will supply for us the web server. Put web server address here. After the first time when arrive is 10, you arrange your PC, come inside and change address of the gateway. This is the gateway, Modbus gateway. Put your new address here, your network here, submit and save, of course. We have serial communication for the RTU communication outside, the outside port. I have tried all of this for configuration. What I want to use is this one because I want to connect with my PC client to the TCP server, and then this one will be RTU connection with the slaver. This is the Modbus TCP port default, timeout and auto ID. When you make your configuration, you submit and save restart. This is enough for the configuration of the Modbus gateway, practically this one, Modbus gateway, using web server. Okay. Now, using the Modbus pole, you connect to the Modbus gateway. Connect. Put your new address here, port, Modbus TCP, okay. You will see the LED blinking. Now the gateway is connected. If you connect your wire between gateway and Modbus 16 IO slave, you will have a connection. Practically every time send information continuously after every second. The gateway send information and get this information. This is the first byte for input, second byte for input. I can change if I put some wire here. I make, for example, a bridge. You can see the number change. I need a wire. Okay. Important, these parameters are in according with the documentation of Lee. If you want to change the address of course, the RTU, because we have to have one ID univoc, only one. Here you can adjust parameters, and here you have also address. This one is one of this is address. Must check the documentation. This one is the address. You see here. Okay, check the document because I'm sure this one is the address. I have already checked. So for each 16 plus 16 IO in Modbus RTU, you can change the address, the ID unit here, and here you can also write single coil slave ID 1 starting from address 0 on, and first relay start. Okay, you have here many things. You can see binary, also input, display binary, function write. Let me check write coils starting from 0 16. Oh, okay, response okay, and read multiple write single read coil. Okay, you have to understand how to do, but I prefer not this one. This one is just only for the address. I'm writing, if you are not able to understand protocol, because this is the protocol Modbus, transaction identify, protocol identify, byte count, everything, all function as one frame table, you may use Wireshark here. This is my application. I connect, I want to write all of coils, and here let me start. Okay, write, I stop. You see here from my PC to the gateway, this one is the transaction, and you can see here transaction identifier 25 every time change, increasing by 1. Protocol identifier is this one is Modbus. Length 2 bytes, first high byte, low byte 9. Unit identifier is 1, is first 16 IO. This is the byte 15 value for the code. Read multiple, write multiple coils. Reference number starting from 0. How many bits you want to write? 16. How many data you send? 2 bytes, and this is the data. FFFF means that all of this full. If I want to check, for example, only 4 output, you will see here answer 3, 8. 8 value is the value, will be the value. Let me check. Write calls. Stop. You see 7, because I have sent this one. So practically 1 plus 2 plus 4, because this is 2 elevate 0, 2 elevate power 1, 2 power 2. This value is 7 from binary to decimal, in this case hexadecimal. So practically what's happened here, you may build your protocol, Modbus protocol, without using a client. At the moment I'm using Easy Modbus. Easy Modbus. Now I want to add also a thread for automatic read and write, but it's not so faster. If not, I want to try to write my Modbus TCP protocol by using Wireshark. I have already got information about this one protocol. Practically I'm using the protocol, but help me also Wireshark to be sure for each function, Modbus function, what the protocol sent. Practically with this capture you can understand well and write your protocol in Java, in C#, what you want. Later I will show you with my camera their real devices are working here. Read input. Let me check if I want to have another input here. I need a wire. That was just a moment. If I put a bridge, I want to see if another input will be read. Okay, I can change this one, for example, directly to the card. Okay, write call, read coils, read input, all off. Of course, if I read coils, 0. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I will make later a new movie with the telecamera to show you the devices in real time. Okay, thanks for watching.